My name is Liana Song, and this is my term project for summer 19. It is called Candy Crush 112, and this is the start screen. You can either press S to start right away or press H to see the instruction. For now, let's just press H to see the instruction. And this text is basically explaining what kinds of features this game has. So let's talk about this as we look at the actual gameplay play screen since it's really long. So in order to get to the gameplay screen, you just have to press any key. So this is the actual gameplay screen. And first, you can swap two candies, and the way it works is you choose the first candy on the board and then choose the second candy that is adjacent to the first one in a direction of up, down, left, or right. So let's just choose this, and if you move it, it's gonna, because it's a three candy types, same candy types with three candies, so it's gonna remove it. And unless you choose candies that are one row or one call away from each other and have the same candy kind of three or more, like just like before, the candy wouldn't move. So if I click this one, or like if I click this, the highlight will go away. And each candy worth 60 points. So as you can see over here, score, you're getting 60 points for each candy removed. And secondly, there is a threshold score overall here, target score, that you have to get in order to not get a game over. If you get above threshold score and still has moves here, then that's great. You can keep going until you use all your moves until 0. But if you don't get the threshold score and you don't have moves anymore, then it's game over right away. So let's just play. So it's gonna remove all these things, and those are special candies, and actually I'm getting possible moves like this. And this X sign is actually the third feature in my project, and it's a freezing witch. As you can see, she's coming to our board, and she's sneaking to the board and freeze one of the candy spot so that the player cannot move the candy on the spot. So if I try to click on that, it's not, I cannot move it. Yeah, it's not working at all. So in order to get rid of this, um, player has to move other surrounding candies to match at least 3 same candies. So let's see, how should we, oh, there are too many candies. Like this one, if I click this, then it's removed, like this. And we still have 8 moves to go, so I'll just play it along. Yep, we have 5 more to go. Okay, yeah, yep. So this is the game over screen. It shows your final score on top, and if you press G, then it starts the game right away again with the newly generated random board and candies. And if you press H, you're gonna go back to the main menu. So if I press G, so there is like new randomly generated board. This board is always generated, always like randomly. So yeah, thank you.